Hi, hello. It's Thursday today, and we just came from a sample sale for Drake, and Dima bought beautiful two pieces I will show you. And I just wanted to tell about sample sales in London in general. It's really interesting event when you go and shop like previous collection from big brands. You can find like every week some sample sales from high street brands to like small independent brands. And for example, for me personally, I really love Drake's, but I like to find some gems, especially in small sizes like X small or small. Last time I bought a gilet for myself, and this time we bought two pieces for Dima. And it's really nice because you can go and just check if you have something, and it is not a previous collection. It's actually this collection, the summer collection, spring summer 23. So it's like this year, not a previous year for Drake especially. And on this weekend will be another one, and next weekend will be for Joseph. And last time, like in like 3 I think months ago, we bought a lampshade from House of Hackney. It was sample sale for House of Hackney. And what else, like we have also high street brands sometimes coming. For example, here in Hackney we have Box store, it says like name Box, and they have a newsletter about future sample sales, and especially, oh yeah, I remember they have a Liberty as well. Yeah, it was really good. I think before Christmas it will be even more, because they will try to sell everything from this year's collections, like from previous winter or this summer. And yeah, it's usually prices half of the main price, and it's not sample sale, like they're not selling samples. Actually, they're selling previous collection, and all items are in good state. Yes, sometimes could be sample sales when they're selling damaged items, for example, with some you need to repair something. But it's not that often, to be honest. I remember only once it was. So yeah, if you are interested and you are into fashion and you are in London, I think in other cities, big cities like Manchester, Liverpool, you can find in Bristol, I guess, also a lot of sample sales. But obviously in London, the biggest one, and you can Google it. It's not that hidden spots, to be honest, because for example, Drake posted about their sample sale on their like on their Instagram, so it's not only for subscribers, for newsletters or something like that. Yeah, sometimes it could be like in Paris, you can go to hidden spot and find a sample sale there. They don't publicly posted because it will be too many people. And I remember I attended in Paris one of that, like Comme des Garçons and like brands around, and it was really nice and interesting, even just to take a look. Maybe you will need something, and for example, you can buy something with half of price, with 70%, 80%, and especially if you are interested in like lower prices, like the most lower prices, it's good to come in the end of sample sale. For example, if it's sample sale for 2 days, it's better to come on the end of the day of last day of sample sale, and you will find the cheapest prices. Yeah, maybe you can't find your size or something, because sometimes people are, for example, again for Drake, it was a queue for about, I don't know, 20 minutes, and I remember last time we waited about 40 minutes in a line, and yeah, it was good. Anyway, if you come earlier, you will find your size, or if you have like medium size, like the most popular for women, and for men it's usually L size, large, because you can't find anything with large, but you will find a lot of for small, and for me personally it was good because like everything small is good. It's like my size from my collection. And if you want your size, come earlier. If you want cheapest price, come in the end of the sample sale. Sometimes, if, for example, for House of Hackney, I remember they did entrance price for charity. It was like £2. You can buy when you walk in, or you can buy it online for time slot. And yeah, sometimes you need to buy a ticket to come in when it's a popular brand, but usually it is not. Usually just come in and just check in what can you have. And yeah, I'm not a big fan of shopping, going somewhere, but when my favorite brands has nice sample sales, why not come?
Degrees and sunny, just the way I always wanted. 더울 것도 없어. 지금 이대로면 좋아. 따스한 햇볕이 가득 담은 Sand River. The bluebirds peaceful sing along.
Hi, hello. It's Friday today. I had a shooting in the morning, just seated to edit and finish all photos, and just realized I don't talk about my job at all. So I'm a photographer, lifestyle photographer, and usually I'm shooting for artists, for galleries, for art events, for studios, for artists. It's for YouTube videos in general, or photos. Love everything I do. Sometimes it's stressful because if you're going to a new gallery and you never been there before, I don't know what the light will be there, so before shooting, usually I'm stressful about the light, if it will be enough light, or if it will be not dark corners, or if it's okay and I will deal with it, but usually I do. So yeah, today we'll edit photos and send everything to client.